Hi everyone, my name is Srikant. I'm starting this series of the videos to how to install SCCM Lab on VirtualBox. Okay, this is my first video. Okay, in this video, I will show you like what are the softwares are required for to install SCCM Lab in this first video, and I will give the links of the files, like links also in description. Then you can able to download. Okay. To download these softwares around required 20 to 25 GB of the data required to download all required softwares to install SCCM Lab. Okay. Let's go to the first software which is required, VirtualBox. Okay. This is the VirtualBox website. From this website, you can able to download the VirtualBox software. Okay. From this website, just you need to click on Windows host link. Then you can able to download a file around 103 MB. It is there. Okay, I'm canceling now because I have already downloaded the software. I have that software is installed. Okay. Next software is we need to install server operating system. Okay. For that we need server ISO file. Okay. Server like Windows Server operating system is required. You can able to download any version of the server operating system. Okay, I'm downloading a 2019 server ISO file. Okay, here you need to select ISO. Then after that you need to click on continue. Okay, here you need to give your details. Okay, first name, last name, company name, company size, job title, then work email as well. Then after that you need to give the your mobile number. Then you need to select the country or region. I'm from India, selecting India. Then click on continue. Then after that you need to select the language, which language is required. Selecting English, click on download. It will start the downloading. Around 4.9 GB of the ISO file is there. Okay, I have already downloaded, that's why I'm canceling now. Okay, this is the second software. Next software is server, SQL server, like 2019. I'm downloading SQL 2019 server. Okay, from Microsoft website. Here you need to select exe file, not an Azure. Okay, it will download just installation of the file. Here you need to give the details. Okay, job title, email, phone number, region, India. Then click on continue. Okay, once it is downloaded, it is just installation file. After that you need to download SQL ISO file. For that you need to double click on this, click on yes. Okay, here you need to download the media. For that you need to like ISO file you need to download. Then you need to click on download media. Okay, selecting, like I am selecting English language and file as ISO file. Then you can select the location where you need to download. I'm selecting another folder, you drive. Okay, software, click OK, download. It will start the download. Okay, ISO files it will download. Okay, I'm pausing that because I already have that ISO file. That's why I'm canceling now. After that, we need to download ADK files. Okay, previously single ADK file is there. Now it is divided to the two files, ADK and WIn PE. So we need to download two files here. Okay. Now I'm downloading the ADK file. Click on ADK. Okay. Once it is downloaded, double click on this. Now I'm not installing now, just I'm downloading the files. Okay. To download, if you directly click on next, it will install on your local machine. I don't want that. Just I need downloading the files. Okay. Then you need to select on which location you need to download. Okay. I'm giving like a same software location, Windows toolkits. I already created the folder. I'm giving Windows toolkits. Then click OK. Okay. Then click next. Then after that, click next. Accept the license. Then it will start the downloading process. Okay. Cancel now. After that, you need to wait up to downloading because I'm canceling now because I have already downloaded the files. Okay. Windows ADK. I already downloaded the file. Okay. Okay. After that, we need to download WIn PE as well, same as ADK. Okay, here also. After that, it is downloaded. Double click on that. Here also, you need to select second radio button, then the location where you need to download the WIn PE. Okay, selecting share. Under that, WIn PE I'm selecting. Okay, click on next. Click on next. Accept. Okay, it will download that WIn PE file. Okay, you need to wait. Like around 2 GB will be there. Okay, I will show you the how much size is. Okay, canceling now because I already downloaded the files. Okay, once you downloaded the ADK file, then last like final software is application like SCCM application or MECM. Okay, I will give the links as well in description. Then you can able to download. Okay, here like a technical preview also is there, and current branch also is there. You can download. I'm downloading the current branch, not a preview, technical preview. Okay, freely like 180 days. You can it will be free. Okay, free software. Then click. I'm selecting exe file. Then click on continue. Here you need to give the details. Okay, mobile number, country. Then click continue. It will start the file. Around 1.2 GB is there. Okay, you need to download the file. Okay, once you download the files, all these files you need to create one folder in anywhere in your hard disk because I downloaded the all files here. Whatever the required files are there, I downloaded. This is the SCM file is there. Okay, ISO files also is there. You need to keep on one folder because this folder we can use in virtual machines. We can use this as a share folder. Okay, we can keep all downloaded software in same folder. That will be easy for you in while using the labs. If you download it in different folders, that will be difficult to locate the files. If you download the different locations, you need to give the different share locations in VirtualBox. That's why you need to keep only one folder and paste there paste there all softwares there. Okay, these are the softwares required for SCCM Lab. This is the end of the video. Okay, in next videos I will show you like how to install SCCM Lab. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye.